I think he just spun out. I know it. She just can't stand it. Crazy.
Hey guys, good morning. So just made these fresh rolls last night, baked them here in our convection oven, which I don't know if you've ever baked in a convection oven, but it's a bit tricky. So these are super fresh rolls. They're made with organic flour, unbleached flour, and they're made with applesauce and olive oil, so there's no butter in there either. And they're a little bit cold, so I'm going to warm them up, but look at that texture. We're just going to add maybe a little bit of honey or a little bit of maple syrup. Have us some rolls for breakfast. Oh, look at that.
Looks like breakfast to me.
Yes, it does. And of course, with our rolls, Daniel won't let me get away with having anything but a cup of coffee.
Exactly. Let there be no mistake. There is no substitute.
No water.
Coffee in the
no
morning.
Tea, just coffee.
That's it. Coffee in the morning. I don't want to hear none of this.
And we are using skim milk, by the way, because it's healthier. Healthier for our arteries.
Yep.
We don't want no clogged arteries.
No clogged arteries. No bueno.
Doesn't make the video.
No. Anyway, some of you guys want to know, what does a RVer do when you're not, one, traveling, or two, actually going, checking out some sites and things like that. Other than that, it's like a not much different being in your house. There's things you have to fix, things you need to go take care of, and there's something always needs doing.
We've had people ask, what do y'all do in your RV all day? Well, in this video, we're going to show you.
Yeah, so take a look, and if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like what you see, still give us a thumbs up.
Still give us a thumbs up.
We'd love for you guys to join us on our adventure. Subscribe, share, that type of thing.
Yeah, we got some cool things coming in 2026, and we're really looking forward to taking you guys along and showing you where we go and what we do, and maybe seeing some cool sights.
Right. When this video gets dropped, we'll be heading to the Tampa RV show, and then after that, right now we gotta be in South Carolina. From there, we was thinking about going up. We like to look some maybe Delaware and outside Boston. Look like there's some places we might check out. We're not sure yet, but if you've got some hot spots, let us know.
Mm-hmm. Let us know that too.
Yeah, because our dance card ain't full yet, so we're not really sure where all we're going for 2026. But I can guarantee you one thing: we're going to have a good time.
We're going to have a good time, 1 mile at a time.
One simple mile at a time.
One simple mile at a time.
Come on. I think he just spun out.
Bella's right on your heels.
Of course she is.
Come on, Belle. Ooh, it's a little breezy out here.
It is breezy.
Yeah, it's cool. It's exposing us.
Cozy Bale. Old Snoopy. Okay. What's that? Oh, that's the dang lock.
Ow, damn it. I just cussed on our camera. All right, water hose is on like it's pouring rain outside.
So this is what I come up with, me and Terry. We used this on our Class C and it worked pretty good. We got one of these. What you doing?
Making some homemade bread.
Nice.
Hey y'all. Well, it's that time. We're on our way to get new glasses. Last year, I think I didn't have to get my prescription renewed, but this year, I think I might. What about you, Daniel?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need some new
Yeah,
ones.
might be that time. So we're on our way, and we might even show you a little bit when we're in there. How about that?
It's just part of what we have to do during the, when you're RVing, there's things that you still have to do, go to the doctor and all that. This is just one of them.
Use just your right eye.
All right, so Daniel likes to use this complete seasoning when he cooks our food, which is super tasty, but we are now trying to live a healthier lifestyle and not put things into our body that's chemically processed, which this has a lot of chemically processed stuff in it. So what I've done was put together all the seasonings except for the yucky processed seasonings and created Daniel's complete seasoning. How about that? The healthy choice.
The healthy choice. Except no weather.
Except no weather. So we have had some people ask, what do you guys eat and how do you cook and what do you cook when you're in your RV and what do you do whenever you're just stationary? Well, today we're having chicken wings. And as you know that we do, and we are on like a bit of a health kick now. So we don't fry them, we air fry them. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting these little pieces, cutting the chicken wings in pieces because I don't like these little end wings. But this air fryer is a little bit smaller, so we'll probably have to do these in 2 different batches. Put some seasoning in these babies. Like shake and bake. You guys ever use shake and bake? They look good already and they're not even cooked. Look at how seasoned those are. Alright, set that aside. Put this in the air fryer. We have a wings button here, so we'll just push wings and timers at 25 minutes. You'll go run it for about 25 minutes and maybe check it from there. Flip them over. Might even flip them over halfway through.
Look at that.
Look at baby.